Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new Honor X60 5G. It's packed with some serious features, but does it deliver? Let's dive right into it. The Honor X60 5G sports a sleek and modern design with a curved display and a slim profile that feels premium in the hand. It comes in this gorgeous mention the color, and you can instantly tell that Honor has put some thought into its build quality. Up front, we've got a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with vibrant colors and sharp resolution. Whether you're streaming videos or scrolling through social media, this screen does not disappoint. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth. Under the hood, the Honor X60 5G is powered by the Snapdragon mentioned processor and paired with 8GB of RAM. This thing handles multitasking and gaming like a champ. Apps load quickly, and switching between them is seamless. For all the gamers out there, games like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG run smoothly with minimal lag thanks to the 5G connectivity and GPU optimization. Now let's talk cameras. On the back, we have a triple lens setup, a 6x main shooter, an ultra-wide, and a depth sensor. The camera produces sharp, vivid photos, especially in good lighting. Check out these sample shots. You can see the detail is impressive and colors are vibrant. Even in low light, the X60's night mode pulls through with some solid results. Battery life, no worries there. The 4,800 mAh battery easily gets you through a full day, even with heavy use. And with 6.6W fast charging, you're back to full power in under an hour. So, what's the verdict? At this price point, the Honor X60 5G offers a premium display, solid performance, and great camera quality. If you're in the market for a mid-range phone with 5G capabilities, this one's definitely worth considering. That's it for today's quick review. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you next time.